tobacco called Old Mustard Mouth, Doctor. But I wouldn't say he was burning it. So far, he's barely finished it.
I can't keep the dad medicine burning, medicine ball. No, I don't. I consider a pipe a bulky nuisance. You have to carry a cord and a half of matches, a pipe cleaning scraper, package of pipe cleaners, something to tamp the tobacco down with, a pouch of tobacco, and an eyebrow pencil.
An eyebrow pencil?
Yes, if you drive a car and smoke a pipe, keep burning your eyebrows off. We just don't have enough patience, Doc. I have enough like you, my boy.
You ever smoke any of this tobacco, Old Mustard Mouth?
No, I haven't, but I've treated people who have. Yeah? It's not bad, McGee. Yeah? If you don't mind your hair falling out, your teeth coming loose, and the aroma of just having fallen into a vat of dill pickles.
It does have rather a peculiar fragrance, Doctor.
Fragrance? Smells like a hot box on a cattle train. Now look, scattered skulls. What is the object of taking up pipe smoking anyhow? Well, I don't know. There's something kind of thoughtful looking about pipe smokers. Kind of dignified, studious, intellectual looking. Oh, eggplant. With that French bomb protruding from your face, you look about as intellectual as the third man from the lightning-struck totem pole.
Was a lovely insult.
Doctor, if I wasn't a dignified pipe smoking type, I'd get that, Molly. If you were in my office, I'd be here. Hello, Amber speaking. Who? Oh, yes, Mrs. Clatterhatch.
Her again.
Oh, that again, Mrs. Clatterhatch? No, I'm afraid those wrinkles are there to stay, Mrs. Clatterhatch. Now, facial cream will do a bit of good. Sorry, Mrs. Clatterhatch. You're a fine guy to consult. You might at least have let her down easy, give her a little hope.
Say, how old is Mrs. Clatterhatch, Doctor?
Oh, about 23. 23 and worried about a few wrinkles? Oh, not her wrinkles. She's having company for lunch and wanted to know how she could smooth out some prunes. Where's the match, Molly?
On the sink there, dear. Watch the cooking, Tom. It's still hot.
Okay. Now, this bad girl thing fire would break into the third match again. Oh, again. Well, John, what's the matter with this pipe anyhow?
It won't burn.
It's better. And by George, I'll fix this thing yet. I get up to guys and pick up a pipe, and by George, when I get up something and take up something, nothing's going to make you give up what I just picked up. Who's that?
Somebody needs one or two. Anybody home? Out here in the kitchen, Mr. Winkle.
Come on out, yeah.
No, sir.
Oh, good thing.
He's trying to, Mr. Winkle, but the pipe won't cooperate. The score so far is 1 teaspoonful of tobacco and 1 washed ashes.
Yeah. Having a little trouble getting this baby to burn, huh? Gotta get it built in.
I just love to see a man with a pipe. I had a pipe one time, Mrs. McGee.
Oh? Did you lose it, Mr. Winkle?
No. I was going out with my pipe in my mouth one time, and China said, that's Mrs. Winkle.
Yes, we know.
They said, Wallace, you didn't kiss me goodbye. So I quick turned around and kissed you without taking the pipe out of my mouth. Pretty face lost tooth and teeth, and I lost my pipe.
No, that's tough, Wimp.
And it brings such beautiful bubbles, too.
Well, I always think, that's a dead thing, it's out again. I'm so full of phosphorus from these matches,
I never will forget the first time I ever saw it, Mr. McGee.
Yeah?
I sneaked out behind the woodshed and made a little cigarette out of whole bowl.
Oh, down. How did it affect you, Mr. Winkle?
If I ever see the bowl on top of the building, turns out I was around, I still get a bowl.